In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Plaiobot Gurren Lagann. This, of course, was purchased by Galactic Toys. So, without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, boys and girls, as you're used to with my half-ass reviews, here we take a look at the Plaiobot Gurren Lagann all built up. Now, yes, I have added stickers to this guy all over the place. And I do have to say, the stickers actually look pretty good. Come in 2 shades of gold, has some silver details. The plastic itself is fairly decent. I would not say it's Bandai quality, but it's damn good. I know that when I did the unboxing video, I kept referring to Kotobukiya, and for some reason I thought this was a Kotobukiya kit, but it is not. This is from a company called Sentinel, I believe. With that being said, this has been cast very well. Very few flaws in the plastic itself. It's made up with all these little drill parts all over the kit. It does have this backpack piece that ends up moving around. And I have to say, if you ended up seeing my live stream where I was working and building on this, I actually mentioned that I had never actually sat down and watched the series. Even though that I love the kit itself, I've never watched the series. So over the weekend, I sat down and I think I'm about 6-7 episodes in. And I have to say, I like it. For some reason, I thought it was a lot longer series. It's not. Accessories that are not being featured. You get 2 clear pieces, which I believe are boomerang shield type things that go in his hand. I did not bother clipping these off. You get another drill. I had to put the big one on him. Bigger is always better. You get another drill piece for the hand that goes on that side over there. And as you can tell, I have the one with the fist on there. It looks really good. This guy would look freaking awesome all painted up. Now, I do have to give you some warning though. The joints on here are very, very tight. And that's a good thing because this guy is holding his pose without even wobbling. He's been like this for a couple days. I'm not going to go through and showing you all the range of motion because, well, I'm not going to. I'm not going to take a chance on breaking anything. There are plenty of panel lines on here. There are plenty of little details like where drill bits can come out, though you don't get extra drill bits. The ankles, I do have to say, they're just a ball joint that go in there. They are kind of limited, but they are super tight. The skirts, you do have to watch it. They will pop off. They are limited in range of motion. I believe that this guy is more made for building up and display purposes other than playing with. And it is a model kit, so it's not really made to play with. But some people love playing with their models. I have the big drill in the right hand. All the pre-painted pieces that are on here are fantastically done. He does have an ab crunch in here that shows the inner teeth. And there are stickers that are on there, but you can paint all those pieces. And I actually recommend all these places that you see little silver dots, I would actually recommend painting because the detail that's actually in there is better than just having the dot of silver. But I understand why they did it, just in case you want to do that. You do also have to be cautious with some of these bigger pieces like this on how you fold it over. The pieces stick very well. I actually prefer these metal foils over Bandai's. They are a lot thinner and they're not a like paper type material. So I think that they do very well, but you have to really watch when you lay them down. Kind of because once you lay them down, they're not really going to come back up. You do get a multitude of hands, fingers out, fingers up, just a bunch of expressive type hands. So I did not want this to be a really long video. I just kind of wanted to show you, I think this is a pretty dynamic pose. So one of the things I would recommend is probably sealing up all the little parts of the armor on the back of the legs and especially on the drill over here. I would definitely recommend that. Mostly because they are pretty evident. Now, if you're just throwing this on a shelf for a display piece, then just have at it. But if you're going to paint it and everything, I would probably, like you can see on the back of the leg over here, how it's kind of separated a little bit. And that's because I didn't squeeze it together really tightly. All in all, I would give this guy, I don't know, about an 8 out of 10. I would rate this on a, not a master grade scale. I would rate this on a very good high grade scale. Simple joints, but very tight. I wish some of Bandai's were actually this tight. Details are great. Packaging is fantastic. I would definitely recommend this. There will be a link down below to Galactic Toys to be able to pick this up. Use code Starshadow for 10% off anything in the store. And also make sure and screenshot after you're done with your purchase and everything, and send it to the gunplowmeister74@gmail.com and get entered into the holiday contest where we're giving away a perfect grade RX-78-2, a master grade, high grade, real grade, and a Hello Kitty RX-78-2 in celebration of the 40th anniversary. So get to it. As usual, YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Peace.